Ready, Keon?
What?
You gonna go up or you gonna wait?
Yeah. Oh, 3
You landing? Frank?
This guy's putting his food today. Jesus. I've never seen you fly like this. Landing. What's his hamburgers anymore, Bill?
Excuse me, step aside, please.
Yeah, get out of the way. Come on now.
You ask him.
Very nice, my friend. Taking a little walk though, sheesh. Better turn, better turn, better turn, turn. Ow, there we go.
Nice. This plane is just...
It's awesome.
Why do you have to... Thank you! I'm like, holy cow, what the heck is he doing with that thing? Jesus!
I mean, I felt it when he went by. I'm like,
Yeah.
whoa.
It wasn't that bad.
Frank, it was closer than you
You
think.
were like,
You're over.
Here.
Yeah.
On the other side of that red
Yeah,
fence,
you were
orange
over us.
fence.
It was cool though.
Yeah, it was nice. I had metal fence, you guys had this plasticky thing, so.
Alright, well, I'm sorting it.
Yeah, sure not. It is definitely.
China clear.
No, go, go. I'm doing a downwind pass before you come up though. Go ahead and line up. I'm gonna do a loop above you.
Alright, taking off.
Go ahead.
Testing. All right. Have all the pilots got their tickets in the red jug with the drawing?
Yep.
Julius, did you get yours in there? Your tickets in the.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yep. In the red one.
I'm going the other way. Downwind before you come back. Go, go, go.
Okay, I'm gonna start the pilots auction. Michael, come here. I want you to reach in and take one ticket.
Well, if you think about it, the wings will shadow the control surface. Yeah.
Okay, I got
Time remaining 2 minutes.
ticket number
I'll be behind you.
3733157.
Oh, I don't have them. I don't know.
3733157. Well, if they don't listen to me, they don't get the prize.
You got people flying too, though.
3733157. White ticket. White ticket. 3733157.
Not me.
Who got it? Who got it? Graham? Graham deserves to win.
Time remaining
Go ahead.
1 minute.
I'm doing a fast pass. I'll be right behind you. Once you're down, let me know.
You win $75.
Money?
3733157. 157.
We win money?
30 seconds.
I loved landing that plane. That thing's so much fun to land. I know.
Congratulations.
Gear down.
Alright.
9, 8,
We need a picker.
7, 6. Landing flat. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Bill, come here.
1.
Well, yeah, come here.
Time expired.
Come here. Wesley. Reach in and pick out one ticket. Just one. Okay, oh, I got a name on the back.
Flat
Where's
out.
Keith? Alright. $50.